Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be showing you how a proper implementation of Maze is gonna look like. So there are gonna be two parts to your project. One is the pirate part and another is Google Sheets part where you pass in this Google Sheet to your project area for the maze to load, the maze layout basically. And so for the maze layout, you are expected to have two different tabs here. One is the actual maze layout with X and O's, where X are the walls, which you should not run into, and O's are the cells that your character can move freely to. And so your character is going to begin with this, and you should make this cell over here the ending cell, so that once your character gets to this point, the game will stop. And so that's the maze layout, and another tab should be the list of items. So here is going to be either for the name is going to be either Apple or Portal if you're implementing both, or just Apple or just Portal. And here we give like the coordinates of the Apple or Portal. Reminder that like this coordinate is 0 indexed, and here's like the name to the file of the Apple or Portal. So here, what you want to be able to do is to move right using the D key, left using the A key, up using the W key, and down using the S key. And you don't want to be able to move into rows, so now I'm pressing W, and it's not moving because it's running into rows. So there are going to be two different types of items. Okay, friends. One is Apple and another is Portal. So if you haven't noticed, if you move around, your energy is going to be depleted. And so what you want to do when you eat the apple is that the energy will be repleted by some amount. So for example, here, I would just like to run around. And so my energy is here, right? When I eat the apple, it will refill to the maximum. And so the deal about the portal is that you'll be able to carry it. So for example, now I have one portal, right? I don't need to use it right away, although I can because I already am carrying the portal. But I can like move somewhere else and then use the portal. Yes. So the deal with the portal is that you have to check for the distance, because if the destination of the place where you click in order to be transported to is within the allowed distance or not. So for example, if I click here, then it's not going to allow me to move there, but if I click here, it would. But I don't want to move there, so I'm just going to go here. Yeah, so because this is the allowed distance, my character is going to be able to move there. And so I carry the port, eat an apple because I like apples, and then move here, get the port. Should I get the apple? Yes, I should. Ooh, and then go here. I like apples, so I'm just gonna eat apples. Ooh, and then okay, so here, so this, as I mentioned earlier in the sheet, this is going to be the ending point. Here, the moment when I press D, which is move my character to the left, the game will end. Okay, that's a correct implementation of the game. And so there's only one thing that I want you guys. So because this is a 0 indexed array, we want to avoid being able to move out of the array. So like move out to like -1x or like -1y. So the way that we implemented, like designed the maze is that there would be walls covering the edges of the maze except for this part, because we're gonna start this point. So like if you press A and go to the left of this, it will show that the array is out of bounds. So get invalid argument -1. So just be really careful about array getting out of bounds.